Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. Featuring in this video is another brilliant stamping plate, CJS LC25 from Clear Jelly Stamper, that was recently included in one of my hauls from Nail.supplies. So I'll be swatching and reviewing this stunning stamping plate. I'll leave all the information in the description box on where you can purchase from. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. I'll be using my Born Pretty dual clear and white stamper, and I'll be using the clear head as always, along with my favourite scraper. If you saw my recent CJS LC24 swatch review video, these two plates will work so well together. You have the same cute little animals, just in different sizes, and also in the leaves and acorns as well. The only main real difference is the bottoms of the plates. I have 4 coloured nail tips that I'll be swatching onto, and I'll be beginning with the nude nail tip. I'm going to swatch these large acorns, and I'm going to be using Clear Jelly Stamper stamping polishes, which are orange number 022 and brown 031, and then to finish off using the black number 1. As I always do, any excess that I pick up I will remove with my lint roller before placing down. I do seem to get on better when layering the smaller images to the larger ones. I am still really working on the larger ones, but it definitely helps using the Clear Jelly Stamper stamping polishes. They are just amazing to use. For my second swatch, I'll be using a yellow nail tip. I'm going to be swatching the large pumpkin, and I'll be using again orange number 022, green 038 and black 001. On my photo swatches I didn't see the little green stalk, so it hasn't got one on the photo, and this is why I decided to use it for the swatches. I know that this pumpkin will get quite a bit of use from me come Halloween time. The image is just fantastic, and there is also a smaller one next to it as well. I want to do a whole mani full of these pumpkins. I did, however, find I used a lot of the same colours over and over again for this plate. Moving on to the third swatch, I'm going to be using a white nail tip. I'll also be using a coppered colour stamping polish, along with Clear Jelly Stamper orange 022 and black 001, and I'm going for the bunny. When I use layering images that have parts like, for example, the bunny ears, layering that top image so everything is inside that top layer can be quite difficult at first. What I tend to do is I look at that top layer and see where it should lay. For the bunny ears on the left, it needs to be in line with the end of the colour. I really hope that makes sense. For the fourth swatch, I'm going to use a green nail tip, and I'll be using 2 different Clear Jelly Stamper stamping polishes, number 012 and 077, and I'm going for a tree branch image. When I actually saw the finished design of this, I almost wanted to get my dotting tool out and add some sort of red dots to make some berries. I think that would be so cool to add extra detail to the design. I might have to give that a try for the mani. And then here they are all together, so let's move on to the photo swatches and mani that I have created. CJS LC25 is just a fantastic autumnal stamping plate, As always, I've swatched every image, which has created 32 swatches of just amazing designs. As I said at the beginning, CJS LC24 and 25 would work so well together. For instance, the cute animals, having them both small and large is really nice to have. What I really love is the added detail to all of the designs, like the pumpkin has all these added lines to really give it some character. Now, it did take me a while to figure out the cup and saucer and the takeout cup. The cup and saucer didn't really quite work it out. It's not far from it though. It still looks recognisable. But to be fair, I've seen the added line detail on quite a few of the clear jelly stamping plates that I now have. For me, it takes an image from being a really nice image to being an amazing image. And it is something that I look for now in designs. It can sometimes make the look hand drawn. For all of the swatches, I've used the same stamper you saw me use in the video swatches. I will be bringing 2 of the clear jelly stampers to my channel. I've not had a chance to play with them yet, but they look gorgeous. I also have another 9 stamping polishes and another 4 stamping plates to add to the collection as well. I also want to say how well the word swatched. For such a fancy font, it looks absolutely amazing, and I don't think I have many autumnal words. For the mani, I wanted to use some of the leaves and one of the cute animals, so I chose to use the owl. I've also used, for all of the images for this mani, clear jelly stamping polishes. But I love how this has turned out, and I love the little owl. He's just so cute. I do, however, think though this mani is missing something. I'm not quite sure what it was. All of my swatches from my video and photo swatches, and also my mani, will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days. There is a link in the description box. There will be details on which stamping polishes I have used for the mani. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Clear Jelly Stamping Plate CJS LC25. I hope that you have enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below, I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. And also don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.